Are you still doing your code reviews manually? What if AI could detect security vulnerabilities in your code instantly and locally? In this video, I'll show you how to use Ollama to perform AI-powered code review with a real vulnerable example. Hi, this is Mukul Malhotra, DevSecOps, an application security consultant and trainer. On this channel, we focus on DevSecOps, AI security, and real-world hands-on demos. So don't forget to subscribe for DevSecOps and AI content if you find it useful and really learning content for you. So what is AI code review? AI code review means using large language models, that is LLM, to analyze source code, detect vulnerabilities, and suggest secure fixes. Instead of just syntax checks, AI understands context and can identify issues like SQL injection, hard-coded secrets, and command injections. So in this demo, I'll map findings to OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities related to LLM. Yeah. So in this, we'll be using the Ollama locally, as we discussed in the previous videos as well, because Ollama allows us to run LLM locally. There is no internet dependency and no data leakage risk. Yeah. So this is perfect for secure environment and DevSecOps pipeline. So let's get started with the setup and the demo for this video. I already have installed in terms of the Ollama locally and also run the in terms of model where we will be using Llama 3 model. If you go through this GitHub page, which I will share in the description, and if you see the setup step by step, so you will understand and you can do your practice or test locally. Yeah. So I have run the steps or the commands just to save time. Llama 3 as the model. So if you see Ollama list, so you can see Llama 3 and it will take 4.7 GB of your space on your system. So you should have the storage above that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And before showing you about the execution or in terms of the report, let me walk you through the code, which is the vulnerable code. Yeah. Let me go into the sample code. So here basically we have the vulnerable app as well as the secure app. So in terms of this application, this is a simple application and a Python based. So we'll see in terms of the demo, and once the report is generated, it will be more clear to you. So what behind the scenes this execution will done? Or basically, once we execute the application, so what will happen behind the scene? So we pass a security focused prompt as we have the prompts with us. Yeah. Which is entered into the application in terms of AI review application. So these are the prompts, and it will basically provide us the issue found based on, so what are the security severities or in terms of the vulnerabilities based on high, medium, low, and the fix recommendations. So what should be the recommendations or what should be the mitigation steps for that vulnerabilities? And in this, you can see in terms of the malicious prompts, these are the malicious prompts. Yeah. So why AI in terms of reviewing the code? Basically, what are in terms of the hard-coded credentials, right? So it will basically detect, and this is in terms of high severity. If I take as SQL injection, this is also high severity. This application will detect the command injection. This is a medium severity. So these all in terms of the problem areas, this application or the AI will find and then show us also. And so what are the security as well as the suggestion fixes? So this is exactly what we expect from a real AppSec review. So once we execute this application, code review, this in terms of the code review application. So this will scan the code. It will detect the problem areas or the issues as well as the vulnerabilities, and it will take some time in the scanning process and give us the report. So I already have scanned it just to save time for this video. Next, let me show you what is in terms of the output and what are the vulnerabilities it has detected. So this is our basically the path where the report will be stored. So start Notepad++ and then file. This is in Windows. Okay, now we have the Notepad++ file. So this is a code review where basically it has detected the vulnerabilities. These are in terms of the vulnerability categories and what are the in terms of the vulnerability types, right? From the OWASP top 10. So we have the vulnerabilities from the cross-site scripting, and we have in terms of severity, what fixed recommendations it gave us. Yeah, we the second is in terms of the hard-coded secrets, input validation issues, insecure coding practices. Yes. Um, okay. We have other details as well. So this is basically what AI basically detects the vulnerabilities, and it will give us in terms of severity. And according to these severities, then these severities will be prioritized. Yeah. So you can go through this in terms of report once you execute this application. Go through what are the top 10s in terms of the OAPS top 10 vulnerabilities. Yeah. Uh, or let me know if you are interested. I'll come up with a next video on the OAPS top 10 or the OAPS top 10 LLM vulnerabilities. Yeah, you can just comment on the video. I'll go and uh, prepare the same for you. Okay, so this is in terms of the vulnerabilities, and this is for today. So next, I'll come up with the next video for the DevSecOps pipeline, which is integrated with AI. Yeah. So till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe.